Yo guys, we're gonna go to nature. We're gonna film some cool stuff with the drones. Koen has also got a drone. He's got a drone from AliExpress and I've got a professional drone. So we're gonna see how they compare to each other. Yo!
What are you?
Skirt! That's the drone?
Ja man.
It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say. Take control of your own life.
Fake antennas.
Don't give a damn.
So, while Koen and I were flying with our drones, we decided to use our second batteries a little bit further up into the field. We are actually going to stumble upon something really cool, which I wanted to see for some time now, as I had seen it on Instagram. It's kinda like the law of attraction, me seeing it now. But first, I want to tell you something more about our drones.
Crash landing.
Heel gemaaid. Het is geen grasmaaier.
So honestly, if you do not do this for your job, but just for fun like Koen, I don't think you have a bad deal on buying this $100
drone.
Yeah, this one cost 170 euros. So that's pretty cheap for, well, it's a decent drone.
Oh ja, oh ja. Waar? Nee, ik zie die al. Oh ja, mooi joh. Shit.
So we're here in the middle of nature and someone actually did something really stupid. Stupid and kind of funny. They made a Christmas tree in the middle of nature. What?
And a happy new year.
Merry Christmas, motherfuckers. So that was a lot of fun I had with Koen out in the fields here in the Netherlands. We saw some really cool cows, but right now I'm gonna tell you some more about cold showers, because the past month I've been getting into cold showers as it is gaining popularity, and my mom gave the Wim Hof book to me. So I was very interested to try it out and I'm going to tell you my experience about it. So what are we going to do, guys? We are actually going to do the Wim Hof challenge, and we are going to do some breathing techniques. And then Nikki is laughing at me, but I don't give a shit. And then after the breathing techniques, we're gonna take a cold bath. And this Sunday, Nikki and I are going to a lake, and then we're going to plunge in the lake here in the Netherlands. It's pretty cold, and we're gonna try to stay in there for as long as possible. So we'll see how that ends up. Yeah, it felt good. I felt the tingling in my hands, and
Still in my bicep.
still your bicep? No, for me, mostly my fingers and my feet. And yeah, it felt good. Just clearing the mind. Right, let's go. Ja, is goed. Niet te ver met je benen, dat gaat niet. Well, nice. It's not too bad actually.
Two bros chilling in the hot tub, 5 feet apart cause they're not gay.
I think the water at the lake is going to be colder. Oh my god! Not hot. Hello! Yes! We're just chilling. Don't we have, Mom?
Yeah.
Yeah! Don't we have like something to measure how cold this is?
No, stop.
Yeah, give it to me.
Give it to me, baby. Glas, hè? Wie kan deze stop?
Yeah, you gave them to me. I don't know why you gave them, because I had cold feet and like really weird purple stuff on my feet. And you gave me those socks. I was like, I'd rather not wear those.
You don't need them anymore. You have now the...
I'd rather not wear those though. But thank you, kind gesture.
What?
Not too bad actually, compared to the boss. Look at this man concentrating.
I don't know why this does not feel cold anymore.
So we've just taken a cold bath over here and a cold shower, and yeah, we're ready for Sunday, I think. Even though that's probably going to be even a bit cooler, but hey,
Yeah.
we'll see. So that same Sunday we started off with the breathing techniques that we also did before going into the bath.
Letting go.
As you can see, it's already pretty cold here and the water is about 0 degrees. We are with a group of people who are all into personal development, and we are all going into the water for the first time this year. This breathing exercise is being guided by Wim Hof. We put him on a speaker so we can listen to what he has to say. Oh, it's extremely cold. These guys are fucking crazy. They've been in there for like 10 minutes or something. Nice, man. About 10 minutes or something.
Geen idee.
Crazy man.
Maar ging lekker, ging lekker. Maar nu zijn we wel koud, man. Handen en voeten. Ja,
You too, man. Great job. So I haven't really seen a lot of benefits until now, but I must say that I'm going to continue on doing them, as I believe this is going to be one of those long-term things that are healthy for you. Just like going to the gym, after a month you probably won't see any results if you only do it twice a week. So I'm actually going to keep on doing these cold showers just because they train your cardiovascular system, and I believe that's something to invest in for the long term. He also uses breathing techniques, which combines perfectly, because if you train your cardiovascular system, which is kind of your heart and your blood, and you do these breathing techniques, that means there's actually more oxygen going inside of your body, which is then being pumped around by your heart through your veins better, and that blood is then containing more oxygen due to the breathing exercises you're doing. So that actually makes you a lot more healthy. So one thing I have been noticing right away is I have less cold hands and feet, which is a really big plus, especially when I'm lying in bed at night. Yeah, I used to have like really cold feet and hands. and that would prohibit me to go to sleep, and right now I'm able to sleep better, so that's really nice. That is a benefit that I was noticing right away, but I think for the rest of the benefits to notice, you should really think long term. I think the experience this Sunday was very cool, it was very fun. Probably going to do that some more, but it was like a half an hour drive just to get in some cold water. Don't really need to do that. I've got my own like little, I still don't know the word, pool thing with fishes inside of my garden, you know what I mean. And so it was kind of far drive just taking a cold bath, but it was fun though, and that's the most important thing. And I'm going to keep improving, hoping to do some more fun stuff. It's still like lockdown here in the Netherlands, so it's not like I can go out party, film crazy shit or whatever. That's unfortunate, but hoping to do that a little bit more in the future. Also, I haven't heard anything from Le Point yet. A lot of people have asked me, actually. Haven't heard anything yet, so yes, we'll see when they get back to us. So I actually want to thank you for watching this vlog again. It was really exciting making it again. Learned some new stuff with the text tracking in midair and stuff, which was kind of fun to do. I'm just going to keep on learning, buying more courses, getting better, and yeah, hopefully you'll join my journey. So maybe subscribe if you enjoyed this. Leave a thumbs up, that will help me get these videos across the web. And I want to thank you for watching, and I want to see you, or I do want to see you in the next video, but you don't have to if you do not want to. Don't feel obligated to do anything, my friends. Alright? See you guys. Bye.